It is the only place on Earth where you can drive your car 100 feet underground into a classified nuclear fallout shelter to see 6 million Christmas lights. We're talking about Lights Under Louisville at the Mega Cavern in Kentucky. It sounds amazing, right? But with ticket prices hitting $50 a car and line waits that can stretch for hours, is it actually worth it? Or is it just a tourist trap in a cave? This is American Travel Fun, and today we are giving you the no BS review. We'll break down the cost, the secret rules for driving in the dark, and the weird history of this place that nobody talks about. And hey, if you just want to vibe out and see the lights without the commentary, we posted the full, uncut 30-minute drive-through in a separate video. The link's in the description, and I'll put it at the end of this video. But first, let's get into the details. So what exactly is this place? It's not a natural cave. The Louisville Mega Cavern is a massive, man-made limestone mine, formerly Louisville crushed stone, that was active from the 1930s to the 70s. It is massive, covering approximately 100 acres underground. But here is the fact most tourists miss. During the Cuban Missile Crisis, the government designated this cavern as a top-secret fallout shelter capable of housing 50,000 people. It's technically classified as the largest building in Kentucky, and it's sturdy enough to survive a nuclear blast. Today, instead of rations, it holds 17 miles of underground roadways filled with holiday cheer. And they break it up into distinct zones, so keep your eyes peeled. You've got the traditional Christmas zone with Santa and elves, the pop culture zone with your favorite movie characters, huge patriotic and military tributes, religious nativity scenes, and a massive laser section near the end. They use projection mapping to turn the limestone rock itself into moving video screens. So now let's talk about money. For 2025, a standard vehicle pass is roughly $50 total. But that is the online price. If you wait to buy your ticket at the gate, it jumps up to $60. So save yourself $10 and book it on your phone before you go. And here's a huge pro tip. Unlike almost every other holiday venue that jacks up the price on holidays, this appears to be a flat rate even on Christmas Day. No surge pricing. But here is the controversial part. The priority pass costs over $100. Is it worth double the price? Here's the real scenario. If you go on a Tuesday night in early December, do not buy the priority pass. You'll drive right in with the standard ticket. Save your money. But if you go on a Saturday night or during Christmas week, that line can be 2 to 4 hours long. You will be sitting in your car on Taylor Avenue questioning your life choices. In that specific scenario, the $100 priority pass is absolutely worth every penny to save your sanity. Speaking of waiting in line, this is the most important tip in this entire video. Go to the bathroom before you get in line. There are no restrooms in the cave, and once you enter that queue, there is no turning back. You're trapped in a metal box for potentially 3 hours. Your last chance official pit stop is the Wendy's right at the turn on the property. Do yourself a favor, stop there first. Once you're in, rule 1 is headlights off. You drive with parking lights only. If you have automatic bright LEDs, bring painter's tape to cover the sensors. Don't be the guy blinding everyone else. Rule number 2, stay in your car. There are rocks and heavy equipment in the dark. No getting out for selfies. But here's the best part. Roll your windows down. It was 30 degrees and windy outside when we went, but underground, it stays a constant 58 to 60 degrees. It never rains, snows, or gets windy down here. We cruised with all 4 windows down, hoodies on, no heat, and it was perfect. Because it's underground, time of day doesn't matter. You can go at 10 a.m. or 10 p.m. and it looks exactly the same, pitch black. We actually went right around lunchtime. We drove in from the bright daylight, plunged into the dark, saw the lights, and drove back out into the sun. Plus, you need the windows down to hear the music. They pipe holiday tunes through speakers throughout the cavern, and the acoustics are surprisingly great. A lot of people trying to take photos down here and they look terrible. It's too dark and the car is moving. Pro tip, switch to video. If you're using your phone, tap the screen to lock focus and drag the exposure sun icon down. This stops the lights from looking like blurry white blobs. For our full drive-through video, we mounted a GoPro Hero 10 to the dash. Here are the exact settings we used: 4K at 30 frames per second, EV comp at -1.0, and ISO max at 1600. So, is it worth it? Yes, it's a bucket list holiday event. If you want the full breakdown of prices and the map to that Wendy's, check out our full blog post at americantravel.fun. And if you love holiday travel, you have to check out our recent guide to the Macy's Christmas windows in New York City. We cover the secret history there too. That link is in the description. To see the results of those GoPro settings right now, click this video on the screen to watch our full 30-minute 4K drive-through. Thanks for watching, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one.